Look at this sum. A 5 centimeter long needle is placed 10 centimeter from a convex mirror. A 5 centimeter long needle. So 5 centimeter long needle means that is it is the height of the object. So you can put object height. Then it is placed 10 centimeter from a convex mirror. So 10 centimeter of a convex mirror means this is the object distance. Object distance is generally mentioned with the negative sign as far as convex mirror is concerned, because the object is kept in front of the mirror, so it is in the left side. Then focal length 40 centimeter, so it is F is equal to 40 centimeter. Find the position, nature, so position, nature, size of the image of the needle. What happens to the size of the image when the needle is moved farther away from the mirror? Now let us list out the given parameters. Object distance is u, that is minus 10 centimeter, and the height of the object HO, that is 5 centimeter. And then it is a convex mirror. So for convex mirror, it is on the other side, the focal length, because convex mirror is a diverging mirror. So diverging mirror. So the focal point is on the right side. So it should be mentioned as positive. F is equal to 40 centimeter. Why? Because the focal point will be on the right side of the convex mirror. So the convex mirror is a diverging mirror, right? So this is the principal axis. Now when the rays comes here, so it gets diverged as though it has been originated from the F on the other side. So this is on the right side, so F is positive, that is 40 centimeter, right? Find the position, nature, size, etc. So let us apply the mirror formula. What is the mirror formula? 1 by F is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U. Here, now you have got F and U, so you have to find out V. Therefore, 1 by V is equal to 1 by F minus 1 by U. That is equal to F is 40 minus U minus of minus 1 by 10, right? So that gives 1 by 40 plus 1 by 10, that is equal to 40 is the LCM, so 1 plus 4 times, so 5 by 40, that is 1 by 8. Is it not? Then and therefore 1 by V is equal to 1 by 8. It means reciprocated, so V is equal to 8 centimeter. So this is the image distance. Then the height is given 5 centimeter. That is the height. So you have U and V. Based on that we can get the magnification, right? So the magnification can be given as the ratio between height of the image divided by, that is, and height of the object. The ratio between height of the image and height of the object. Or it is also equal to minus V divided by U. So in this case, that is HI. So we can relate these two. So HI is equal to HO into minus V divided by U. Therefore, what is HO? HO is 5 centimeter into minus V, that is minus 8 centimeter divided by U, minus 10 centimeter. So minus of minus plus. So it becomes 2. So 4 centimeter is the height of the image. Okay, 4 centimeter. Then as the needle is moved farther away from the mirror, so the image will move towards the focus and then the size will decrease. Are you able to follow? So as the needle is moved, because they have asked what happens to the size. So before that we will analyze what are the questions asked here. Find the position. So the position is 8 centimeter. That is the image distance. Okay. Then and since it is the convex mirror, you will have a virtual image. Okay. Then that is the nature. And the size, it is almost here the height of the object is 4 centimeter. So the height is 4 centimeter. And what is asked further? What happens to the size of the image when the needle is moved? So when the needle is moved, when the needle is moved, when the needle is moved farther away, where from the mirror, what will happen? The image will move towards the focus. So the image will move towards the focus. Okay, towards the focus. And naturally the size will diminish, that is decrease. And size will decrease. So this is the answer for this question. Okay, so that is when the, what is asked here, when the needle, that is the object is moved further beyond the mirror, away from the mirror, then what will happen? That is the image will move towards the focus. So it will move towards the focus and naturally its size will be getting reduced. Are you able to follow?